What's up, everybody? It's Shane with Moretti Outdoors, and we got a great gear review coming up right now. What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me for another awesome outdoor gear review. Now we got another knife review. So guys, check this out, man. This is a new knife that just came out called it's by Outdoor Edge, and it's a 3.5-inch razor Lite EDC with replaceable blades. This thing is really cool, guys. I had to get it and I wanted to review it to show you guys. It was $24.99, I believe. So let's check out some of the specs on this thing. It's a 3.5-inch razor Lite EDC. Never sharpen your knife again. In the rugged backcountry of Colorado, we hope for the best and plan for the worst. But with the razor Lite EDC, the worst doesn't stand a chance. The patented razor safe system changes blades faster than the mountain weather, and is always ready for what's next. If it'll get the job done here, it'll get it done anywhere. Make the cut. Here's the features, guys. Features a change blade safely with the push of a button. Blade holder supports the razor for the strength of the traditional knife. Includes 6 replaceable blades, and blade packs are sold separately. You can buy replacement blades as well. And the specs are: the blade steel is Japanese 420 J2 stainless. The blade holder is 420 J2 stainless with black oxide coating. The handle is a Grivery glass nylon with rubberized TPR inserts. The overall length is 8 inches. The blade length is 3.5 inches, and the weight is 2.8 ounces. And it's an EDC, so it's a folder. And it's very light. And it says hunting everyday carry up top. Let's crack this thing open and let's get looking at it a little bit closer, guys. I'm real excited to check this thing out, man. I've never seen a knife like this before, so it's actually pretty cool. They have another one too that's like $39.99, and it actually comes with a case. You can put it in a little case. This one's got the belt clip, and this is pretty tricky here. Oh, okay, I see now. So it's just a little slip, and it comes with 6 replacement blades. Pretty cool. I really like the way they got this. And they're pretty solid. It's not like a flimsy, flimsy old piece of junk knife. The blades are pretty strong. And I'm excited to get the actual knife itself in my hand to see how it feels in the hand. And this thing is super duper sharp, man. There we go. So here's the back side. Got the nice belt clip. It's got the finger grip for closing and opening. Nice orange handle. Of course, it's got my my channel colors. Moretti Outdoors colors is orange, so I'm still trying to get all my gear to match what my channel's got going on. Oh my god, man, that is super sharp, guys. Really well constructed, not flimsy at all. It's got the button here for closing. I'd imagine it's got some kind of a lock right here on top, so we'll push that. Looks like it's got a locking button here. Nice folder, nice and light, guys. I really like this. I'm really excited to get this out in the field and try. This is definitely going out with me very, very soon. I like the way it opens up. I'm still trying to figure out what that, oh, you know what? That button is for the blade change. There it is. Boom. Change the blade. Put a new blade in. Push that button in. Boom, we're locked in place. Wow, is that nice. So while I got you guys here, let's do a little sample here and see how this thing actually cuts. Got a little piece of fat wood here. We'll just shave some fat wood down. See how that, feather it out, see how that goes. Wow, super duper sharp, guys. Yep, that is a very, very sharp knife. Wow. You can feather it out real nice. Make some feathers there. Look at that. Nice and sharp, guys. Very impressive. Now obviously you can't use this knife for batoning, but it's going to be a good EDC knife, and it'd be good for, you know, going out camping, fishing. Definitely be a good knife for cleaning fish. It's very, very sharp, and it's got the replacement blades. No need to sharpen anymore. You know, being out in the field, who wants to sharpen their damn blades all day long, you know? And we use them a lot. Check that out, guys. Nice feathering right there. Nice and sharp, man. I love it. Nice blade. Not flimsy at all. It didn't slip around. It didn't bend. I really like that a lot. I can probably keep going all day long. And like I said, it has the quality of a razor blade, so you can just switch them out whenever you're ready. Nice and sharp, guys, still. Getting into some harder part of that fat wood, but even some more feathering right there. Check that out. And right there. Yeah. Nice, very nice, very nice. Nice knife, guys. Very impressed. I got this at Tyson's, where my fiance used to work. She ain't working there anymore. I could have got this damn thing way cheaper than I got it for, if she would be working there, but she's not. So there you have it, guys. Now you can tell right there, just by doing that little bit of work I did, I can see it from here. You guys cannot see it, but there's already some little nicks in the blade right in the middle there where I did some cutting. So I don't know how much of an issue that's going to be down the road. Still seems to be pretty sharp. Not a bad knife, guys. I'm going to add it to my folder collection. I really like it a lot. Doesn't have a window breaker or nothing on it. It's a very standard folder, but it's just unique with those blades. 6 blades, that'll last quite a long time, guys. That's all I got for ya. The Outdoor Edge 3.5 Razor Lite EDC replaceable blade knife. Check it out, guys. I'm not going to put any links below because I have only seen them at that store at Tyson's, so I think it's an exclusive thing. Yeah, that's all I got, guys. Until next time, we'll see you on the next outdoor gear review. God bless, go wild. See you on the next one. Peace.